Daniel. Yeah. Yes, anak. Yes,
Daming
baby.
friend, wala akong reason para mahalin ka. Ang alam ko lang mahal kita.
Thank you for being powerful.
Smile that could
Thank
light
you for
up the
being my
dark.
happy ever after. I promise that I will
Strong
love you
faith,
forever.
close family.
I love you.
Choosing love in the midst of tragedy. When I met you,
Husband and husband,
something
you may not
changed in
know
me.
each other.
Better with you than I'll ever be. 'Cause when you walk into a room, life gets a little sweeter. When I look at you.
Ayan, medyo, Medyo, ayan, tumila naman yung ulan. This is it, pansit!
Place where we can go be alone.
Hey, si Arnie, doctor namin. Single to, di ba ang gwapo? Ayun o, di ba?
With me, nobody has to.
This is it, guys. O, di ba? Ang gwapo ng groom ko. So, this is it, pansit, guys. Lakad lang kami. Bawal muna umiyak. Wait lang. Hello po. Yeah, sorry, nagbablog ako.
Nagbablog ka.
As a vlogger po.
Wait lang. Dapat nun tayo eh. So pagkadating ko, titingnan ko si Kate sa gitna. Tama ba? Okay.
Kasi yan sa pulo.
Okay.
Ang imimit mo ngayon yung parents mo.
Sa gitna.
Magmamano ka.
Okay, right hand on my cue. Baka. Ready, one.
Lakad na. Tara. Bless you, my son.
Please be seated. Now we will proceed to the liturgy of the union. I ask the ninongs at ninangs to please stand at the back of the couple and they will answer me for amen, amen, amen. Ninongs and ninangs, you have gathered in the sight of God to witness the pledge of Ken and how to join together in this rite of Holy Union. Ken, know of the reason why you cannot be united with Paul. Do you find within you a special love for him that convinces you that you want to spend the rest of your lives together?
I do.
Do you also find within yourself the courage and conviction to resist the many deaths by which love can die?
I do.
How? Know me of the reason why you cannot be united with Ken. Do you find within you a special love for him that convinces you that you want to spend the rest of your lives together?
I do.
Are you willing to love him in his faithfulness to take the risk and to accept the vulnerability that love again and again and again?
I do.
Okay. Now, ito na ang exciting part, the exchange of love.
So, gumawa ko ng vow, ano siya, co-pilot siya, gawa siya ng assistant ko. Pero to sasabihin ko kasi you always ask me, di ba, dati na, bakit kita mahal, lagi ko sasabihin sa'yo, wala akong reason and all. For more than 10 years, you always asking me that. Every time you ask for validation, ba't kita mahal? Pero always tell you walang reason. And alam mo to, na mahal kita kasi my love for you goes beyond reason. Wala akong reason para mahalin ka. Ang alam ko lang, mahal kita. Pangalawa, sabi nga ni Reverend, di ba, pamilya tayo. So, ang mapapromise ko sa'yo, 12 years na natin ngayon is araw-araw kitang pipiliin. Okay? Hindi magbabago yung pagmamahal ko. Pwedeng mas mahal kita ngayon, mas less na mahal kita. Pero mapapromise ko lang sa'yo, araw-araw kitang pipiliin. Araw-araw kitang pipiliin tayo. Tumbihan. So, the promise is to love you always beyond reason. And number 2, to choose always us. Yun yung promise ko. Na pagdating ng panahon, pag tayo na lang yung natira, tayo yung magkasama. At ako, pipiliin ko tayo. That's my vow.
Ang hirap magbasa. Ang hirap magbasa, guys. Dear Kenneth Mark Concepcion, today is a very special and expensive day for us. In the eyes of God, our family, our friends, our workmates and society, we are now one. But aside from fulfilling my biggest dream in life, you have checked and completed all my bucket lists in life. As a gay kid who grew up in the 90s, watching a lot of Disney VHS movies, alam niyo yun, guys. I was so envious and also doubtful. Wala kang term na ganito dati, but ang term na sasabihin ko, 90s pawis, sana all. Sana all kasi all of these Disney princesses seem to have their happy ending. It's too good to be true. They all find true love and they live happily ever after. How lucky, lovely, and easy it is to be a normal or straight person. Whereas me, I already knew I was different. And my priority at that time is, to be straight or normal as much as possible. And try to find my own self and try to go on my own. Being gay was considered to be a taboo, and I can only leave off these simple things. Sorry, guys, but being that I was able to fulfill three of my dreams on my own. One, I just wanted to be out in the open, accepted by my family. Number 2, have a strong and loyal friend, accepted by society. And number 3 is be independent and have a successful career that I truly proud of. These 3 things, I am confident that will happen and can accomplish on my own. But the next things, I knew were hard, I knew were impossible, and I know that I can only do it with the right person. I wanted to be a Disney princess. I want to have my own Prince Charming. I want to have a long-term boyfriend that I am proud of. Someone that I can easily introduce to my parents. Someone who can publicly express his love for me. And ang context nito is 2010s era. Yung 2010s guys, hindi pa ganun ka-accepted ang gay concept. And I want someone to hold my hand in public. Someone who can hug and kiss me. We don't have to fight our relationship. The next thing is, thank you.
Third page.
sorry, that's not all, is to travel to other countries like Greece, Maldives, Egypt, you know this. That's to get married by age of 40. And last is, dream ko talaga mag housewife. And you know, just take care of you and baby. Thank you for making almost all of my wish list come true. Isa na lang, number 6 na lang, joke. As you know, maybe a lot of you may not know, but Ken is the first serious and longest relationship that I ever had. You are the first and only person that I introduced to my parents formally as my boyfriend. Prior to meeting you, I consciously did not believe that gay love would work. But I was secretly hoping and wishing for our ever after. Tatapos na guys. Thank you for being my own Prince Charming, my Hercules, my Barbie who can. But erase that. Thank you for being Paolo's Ken. Thank you for being my happily ever after. And I promise that I will love you forever and ever and always. I love you.
May I ask the better, please?
Daniel!
Better, please.
Yeah. Yes, anak. Yes,
Daming
baby.
friends.
New friends.
Asa sa isang best man? Best man? Asa na? Kayo honest Ken.
BB,
With this ring,
with this dream,
I offer you my love,
I offer you my love,
my strength,
my strength,
my support,
my support,
my loyalty,
my loyalty,
my faith,
my faith,
that in all changes,
that all changes,
circumstances in life,
circumstances in
we
life,
shall always live
we shall always live
together in love.
together in love.
Amen.
Amen.
Receive and wear this ring
As a sign of the covenant,
as a sign of the covenant
we have made here today,
we have made here
in
today
the sight of God
and aside from God
and in the presence
and in the presence
of our family and friends.
of our family and friends.
Amen.
Amen.
You may be seated, ring bearer.
Thank you. Thank you, baby. Thank you.
Couple, you may be seated. We'll have the liturgy of the Pronouncement. By the power vested in me by the LGBTQ Side Church in the Philippines, I now pronounce you husband and husband. You may now kiss each other. Sama daw, sabi ni Derek. You may kiss again each other. Okay. This one. Ang tamis. Mabuhay ang bawang kasal. Mabuhay.
Wait lang.
Thank you. Sabay ako na. Tanan pa tayo. Proud ako sa'yo.
Ay, sorry.
Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang. Ah. Okay lang yan. Daniel! Wow! Thank you, thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Look at Daniel.
Entrance and sing the debut video I've ever seen. It is absolutely charged with nothing but love and emotions, fans. Can we give one more big hand? Oh my God, big hand for our businesses.
Sumabog eh. Iyak ka. Dito lang ba? Kailangan ko ng water. Nahirapan ka ba sa akin? Nahirapan ka ba sa akin? Oo naman, syempre. Pero, is it worth it? Okay. Gusto mo na kami? Ha? Gusto na kami? Okay ako. Kasi bibig. Hindi kaya tayo. Teka lang ba? Naiiyak ka? Naiiyak ka? Hindi na. Kahit ikot tayo. Ha? Ikot tayo. Okay ka lang ba? Iyak ka na naman eh. Hindi. Ha? Okay, may picture na. Ano yung nasa sabi?
Kasi di niya.
Ano?
Tulog na.
Ha?
Tulog na.
Hindi alam gagawin niya. Dami na yung ito pala yung champagne. Okay na lang ba?
May alam ko ba sa mga kanta?
Oo naman. Very Moira naman. Grabe ka naman. kamag-anak sa Bulacan.
Sabi nga niya, wala na siyang magagawa.
Matagal daw ba? Inaano ba? Kasi yung mga kids.
Ngayon nagsasayaw din, nag-slow down siya. Nakapalibot sa atin. May mga heart sa mata. Kasama yung mga jowa nila. Nag-slow dance din.
Jowa na ba yung mga yun? Yung mga jowa nun.
Yung mga partner nila.
Ba't gano'n? Yung mga baby pa yung mga yun. Okay ka lang ba? Pwede na ako sa laptop ko. Totoo ba? Laptop? Okay. Sure?
Ayoko palampasin na hindi kakainin ng wedding food natin. Ha?
Hi, good evening, everyone. First, congratulations to the newlywed. Pao, Ken, best wishes to both of you. I've seen your love story. I'm a witness of from budding love story until this eventful occasion that we're now experiencing. To my best friend, Ken, you've been there for Pao. I would say that I've seen you cry, I've seen you so happy, and now I'm seeing you very, very happy. Congratulations to both of you, and definitely you, Pao, palagi kayo and I know that. So, I love you both, and congratulations.
Thank you very much, Molly. We appreciate that. John, ano gusto mo sabihin sa kanila at sa lahat ng guests natin ngayong araw na to?
Pao and Ken, for cheers to lifetime partnership, happiness, and I've seen the relationship first of all, love and happiness always be Ken and Pao. So let's close to that.
Cheers! Now, hold on, Paolo and Ken, Paolo and Ken. When you perform your cheers, Paolo and Ken, please intertwine your arms before you drink. On behalf of our second best man, ladies and gentlemen, cheers!
So happy and
bless you, Lord. Salamat, mga beautiful, beautiful. Daddy, ano yung gusto mo pong sabihin sa kanila? Okay. We are away of the journey that you are to be here. All of you serve as inspiring example of what happens when people who are ready to be do what it takes to be together against the odds. The present women's sponsors, relatives, officers, friends show love, support, and respect. And for that, I thank you all. Maraming salamat po. Thank you all. Paul and Ken, all of you parents in the service, like any other people, like us, with equal rights and citizens of this great world. All of you that love, you got us. We are happy, we are with you all the way. We, your parents, are now happy and at peace, knowing that you have each other to grow old with. I love you.
Alam ko naman na ang simula pa lang namin kayo. Mahal ka ng anak ko. Mahal ko, kung ano mahal ang anak ko, mahal ko. Kaya ang simula na nung naging kayo, sinabi ko sa sarili ko, dalawa na ang anak ko. Ikaw, mahalin mo ang anak ko, mahalin ka ni Kay, wala nang dapat pag-usapan. Kahit ka lang sabihin mo, dahil mahal na mahal ko kayo. Magiging kayo palagi, mahalin ko pa sa Kay, Golden Kay, dapat lagi si Pao, ang kayo ko, ang mahalan kayo.
Ngayon sa ang buhay, maraming pagsubok at pag magkasama kayong dalawa, kaya-kaya nyo pag-nagpas na natin.
Thank you for being my own rich son.
Sige, salamat po sa pagpunta. Alam po na hindi pa nga sa inyo galing pa ng Mindoro. Ay natagal na namin hindi nakikita pero pumunta kayo dito para lang masamahan kami i-celebrate yung araw na to. Sa mga long-time friends ko, sa mga ka-office mate ko, salamat po. Alam ko may pasok pa. May pasok pa kayo bukas. Pero pinili nyo na pumunta dito. Alam ko na traffic kayo at mahirapan kayo. Pero sobrang salamat po ng marami. Sa family ko, sa family weekend, family ko na ngayon lahat. Salamat po talaga sa suporta. Hindi ko lubos mag-isip kung gaano kami kamahal ngayon. So, salamat po. Thank you.
Just would like to thank everyone. So, sa family ni Pao, and sa relatives niya. Every time na may sinasabi na, kamusta yung relationship niyo ni Pao? It was never hard for us. Ako kami sa naiiyak, so tawagin ako na, kahit sama ka sa family picture. Di ba parang ako yung nahiya, di ba? Pero I never felt na hindi niyo kami natanggap since day one. Sa family ko, sa mga tita ko na konsidor. So, kayo, maraming salamat. It was not easy to be a gay when I grew up. Pero dahil sa mga relatives ko, sa parents ko, lalo na sa dalawang tita ko, it was not hard. Thanks for the acceptance. Hindi tolerance, hindi acceptance. Because they never tolerate me. They accept me for who I am. So, yun. Maraming salamat and thank you for coming. I know, busy kayo, dami yung ginagawa. But, thank you for being part of this special day. And I look forward na again sa parents, sa relatives ni Pao. Officially, I can be in the family picture. Sa mga tita ko, makikilala mo na sila, mas consider sila. So, maraming salamat sa pagpunta. Thank you so much.
Hi baby, it's me, your Anthony. I want to say my congratulations and best wishes to both you and Ken. Hi Ken! Welcome officially to our family. Matagal ka naman ang welcome. So finally, this is your Final Fantasy moment. Super init ako. So yun, I'm so happy for you kasi nahanap yung main version nyo na sa muli palagi. Babalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal sa muli palagi. Pipiliin kong maging ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako palagi. Sorry na, you have to put you up to that stupid songs. Sorry natin ba na. So anyway, I'm so happy for you kasi finally nahanap yun na yung pipiliin yung mahalin for this lifetime or next lifetime sa susunod na akong buhay. Kung ano-ano sinasabing ko na galing sa kanila. So, Kuya, I want to say thank you. Thank you so much for being such a great big brother to me. Thank you for guiding me throughout my childhood, for being my role model. Thank you sa pagiging kahabi ko. Thank you kasi ikaw yung nagiging sa akin pagpapag-ina ko ng genius. So, dami mami. So yun, thank you kasi ito yung nag-aalaga sa Mayan Team Mami at Daddy. Promise pagbalik ko ako naman. Lahat kayo alagaan ko. Nice. So Ken, thank you so much for loving my brother. I really, really appreciate it. So, ayun lang. Hindi ko na alam kung sasabihin ko sa araw pa yung video na to. But anyways, I miss you all. Sabi talaga nandiyan na ako. Anyway, I'm sending my regards and my love all here from Ireland. Love you all. Mama.
We have reached the end of our program tonight. On behalf of Paolo and Ken, thank you very much. And enjoy the rest of the night.
Hey guys, sorry kung medyo pangit yung audio kasi namatay na yung sa Cosmo Park ko na speaker. Pero yun lang guys, sana yung ceremony and pauwi na kami. Ganito pala feeling na kinakasal. Nakakaiyak, nakakapagod. Nakakaiyak na nakakapagod kasi iyak ka na iyak. Kaya siguro ganun. But in any case guys, if you made it this far of the vlog, thank you so much. Alam niyo naman siguro kung ano mangyayari after, di ba? Hindi na siguro kailangan sabihin pa yun. But in any case, siguro this will be another 2 vlogs after this, yung honeymoon, 2 to 3 vlogs pa. But the plan is for tomorrow, we will be leaving for Thailand. But at least for this section of the vlog, once again, thank you very much for staying with me. Thank you for all the well wishes. Sa mga lahat ng support, yung mga nag-invite sa akin sa IG, FB, sa YouTube mismo, sa wall, sa video. Thank you very much. Sobrang appreciate ko. If you haven't yet, please do like and subscribe and sana mahal ko rin. Thank you guys. Bye-bye.